1,000 subscribers. Pretty crazy.
Maybe it's because there's something in the air.
Yo guys, TSP here from TSP Tech, and we finally hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is crazy to think about. 2018 has been by far the craziest year for this channel. From the day we started this channel on February 13, 2016, all the way up to the 31st of December 2017, the channel grew about 150 subscribers, which I thought was crazy until this year. From the 1st of January till now, December 18th, we've gone from 150 subscribers all the way up to 1,000 subscribers, which is just mind-boggling. And I'm so thankful for all the support I've been getting recently. This is just so crazy. Like, there's a new comment every single day, and I just love replying to every single comment. And I read every single comment. Don't think I don't read any comments. I read every single comment. From the moment I wake up, first thing I do is check my phone, new comments. Okay, cool, let me reply. By the way, this is how last minute planned it was. I legit got home, looked at my phone, 999 subscribers. Let me make a 1,000 subscribers special. Like, I have no plan. Like, my main channel, I had the 1,000 subscriber planned out and everything like that. I did a whole Q&A and skit like that. But I think it's time we do a Q&A on this channel. So what I'm gonna do is leave your questions in the comments below, or maybe on the new community tab that we'll be getting soon. So I'll post a post on there asking for your questions, and you can ask me questions on Instagram or Twitter too, just at TSP Tech. And I'm gonna put it all in one video and answer a big Q&A for you guys. Preferably the questions, I want it to be tech related, preferably. And if you can, use the hashtag AskTSP. So the only two things that I ask for is use the hashtag AskTSP and make it tech related. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions. I'll answer them in my next video, which is going to be the Q&A. I have a bunch of videos just written down on my phone. I just haven't had time to execute it. So I think I've rambled on way too long. I just wanted this to be like a video where I say thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and leave your questions down below, or Twitter, Instagram at TSP Tech. Thanks for watching. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. But before we go, I do want to thank Christian Hogan for a PayPal donation. So if you guys don't know, at the description of my videos, I always leave a PayPal donation. So if you guys don't want to, use my Amazon affiliate links to buy anything on Amazon, which I do get a cut of, you can always just donate directly. You don't have to, and I've never had a donation before except for Christian. So shout out to my boy Christian Hogan. I'll leave his channel link down below for making our first donations. Hopefully there's more to come. This all helps me buy new tech and make this channel possible. So I appreciate you, Christian, and I appreciate anyone who else is willing to donate. Thanks for watching. This is TSP Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.